The next question from WhatsApp. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Jamal from India. I am involved in a business of wedding cards for the past 6 years. I have a doubt about selling wedding cards with non-Muslim gods. Is it okay, sir? I have this doubt from the beginning. Some say it's okay and some say it's not okay to sell them. Please, sir, give me a good knowledge about this. Thanks. The question posed is that is it permissible to sell wedding cards with photographs of non-Muslim gods or gods of non-Muslims? Actually, the God for Muslim and non-Muslim is the same as Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you are saying that the gods with the non-Muslim worship, that's a different thing. So gods of the non-Muslims is the same, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Gods of all the human beings, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But I know what your question was, that can you sell wedding cards on which there are photos of gods which are worshipped by non-Muslims? The answer to this is no. You cannot sell cards or sell goods on which there are photographs of the gods which are worshipped by non-Muslims. They are doing shirk and you're promoting it. If you're selling them cards with photographs of the gods which they think are gods and they worship, and you sell it to them, what are you doing? You're helping them in shirk. It's totally haram. And there are various fatwas of top scholars, including Ibn Taymiyyah, that you cannot wish the non-Muslims during the festivals. You cannot take part in the celebration. You cannot help them to give them goods in which they are involved in doing wrong activity during the festival. So, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is very clear in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 2, that help one another in bir and taqwa, in righteousness and piety, but do not help one another in sin and rancor. So what are you doing? You're giving them wedding cards with the photographs of the false gods which they worship. This is shirk. So helping them to do shirk. So you cannot sell any goods which promote things which are haram. And selling wedding cards or birthday cards or festival cards which have got photographs of non-Muslim god is haram. Or even selling goods which help them to celebrate the non-Muslim festivals. Encourage them. Or you're giving a discount on Christmas, saying that Christmas sale, or saying that there's a Diwali sale and you're giving discount and trying to allure them. You can give them discount, there's no problem, but giving discount because it's Diwali or giving discount because it's Christmas, trying to attract customers, this is haram as per the verse of the Quran of Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 2, that do not help one another in sin and rancor. Hope that answers the question.